Hello, my name is Fernando Bender and I'm the developer manager at Greenfield. We have developed our software Wild Horses that forecast prices of financial assets, commodities, forex, main stock market indexes and cryptocurrencies. Today we'll analyze the prices of Bitcoin priced in United States dollars according to our software. In this graphic we see the last 60 weeks of the asset, and we see it from a perspective of the closing of each week, which happens at end of Sunday. So this figure shows how our algorithm frames the prices within channels that best fit its behavior. As we see, it recently bleached a downward channel. Now this is in according to our interpretation a change between a downward trend and a lateral move. So currently the prices are predominantly moving horizontally, meaning not moving much up, not moving much down, but predominantly staying in the level where they are. What is this level? Well, as you can see in the background, it has horizontal lines that are colorful from the white, green and blue, paled green, paled blue. That is a distribution of probability that the price be within that region. How have we generated this probability? It is according to statistically how the prices have distributed themselves in this vertical range. So as we see, they were predominantly around this interval, okay, that goes a little above 5,000 and around $8,000, which is in a more greenish color. In previous week the prices were still within this channel and at the limit of the channel, meaning it was a battle between the downward channel and the horizontal line to see which one will be stronger in guiding the prices. Had it been the channel, the prices will have fall down below this horizontal line. As it was predominantly stronger, the horizontal move, it bleached the channel and continued in this region. So what do we foresee from this graphic? The first thing is that the downward trend was ended and officially is out according to our software. Now we are no longer expecting that the prices will keep making lower bottoms. We expect, however, that they continue within this region. Why? We see at the end of the graphic, we see this colorful line ranging from red to blue. What does that mean? That means the strength associated with the price move. What does this mean exactly? Well, it is the volume of bitcoins negotiated within that week. If that volume is higher according to the recent average, we consider the price move to be strong. If that volume does not differ much from the average, meaning it's not much higher than the average measured in standard deviations, then we say that the price is not strong in move, meaning it will not be a change of trend, it will not be a meaningful move or sustained move, it will go back to previous levels. Now we can see this in the recent history displayed here in this graphic. When we had a reddish color here, meaning volumes 2 standard deviation above the recent average, we were able to get price moves that were meaningful, but because that strength did not sustain itself, they fell to a region where it most frequently visits, meaning without strength it will go to this range. It works as if an attractor to the prices. A little later in mid-August we saw another high up, but with a little more strength than the average, and we got an upward move, but not enough to abandon this region, coincidentally touching the top of this channel. Well, because the color went back to the blue, meaning the volume associated with the price reduced to more average levels, then what happened? The price fell and remained in this channel even with weak or average or below volumes of negotiation. It kept within this range. Now what we are seeing here is that in the last week, or the week that ended in this last Sunday, September the 2nd, the volume had an increased, so higher volumes of negotiation, and we saw that the prices turned up again. Now, in the continuity of this rate of increase in the volumes of negotiation, we can expect that the prices will test the top of this horizontal line, this region, potentially leaving it.